important animal was horse. Aryans had brought the horses, the best horses they used to bring from Central Asia, and these horses drew the chariots, were light two-wheel cart pulled by one or more horses. So these horses they used to have traveling, or they used to use in the period of battles. And also it was means of fast transport during their battle, and the kings and army, the commanders, they used to fought from these chariots. And here they gave a special importance for a chariot maker, therefore held in high esteem, and the chariot became a status as a symbol in later periods. And the kings in later period drew the chariots or rode on elephants also, but especially they were giving an importance for the horses. Yes, children, can you observe the picture? Where the kings are using these horses for the purpose of battles, and also a chariot maker, etc. Now, let us come here. How was the life of the people of the Aryans? In the sense, there was another group of people arrived, they are called the Sayus. So they are completely hatred towards Aryans. Aryans hated the Sayus. Why was the reason? Aryans are the first people to arrive in India, and these people, the Sayus, the language where they spoke, it was completely different from Vedic Sanskrit, and they worship different gods. The Aryans called the Sayus as Dasas, and they are enmity to Aryans. The Dasas, who the Aryans made, and these Dasas, the Aryans, if they see these Dasas, they used to treat them in form of slaves. So they made the slaves. They are in the sense Ghulam. And here, these Dasa chiefs were treated, they used to treat them in slaves here, but some special Dasas are given a respect and treated a great respect by Aryans, only few, not for everyone. And how the society of these Aryans and how they were living, the civilized life here. According to the Vedic society, as we have studied the four Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda, based on this, the life settled and organized the social system. In the Aryan divided the kingdom into four characterized, that is, three groups merged in the Aryan society, that is, kings are called warriors, are the most powerful group, and they titled as Kshatriya. And the second group was called priest or Brahmins. They gave a special importance for this group because why? These Brahmins are the people where ceremonies, they are given a very good respect and position in the society. They perform the religious rituals called yajnas. And the third group, they are called as the craftsmen, traders and cultivators. So they considered like Vaishyas. So these group people, occupation, based on the occupation, they have been divided like potter, or in the sense here weaver, goldsmithy. So these all people comes under Vaishya. And the third group, they gave a very special importance only for Kshatriya, Brahmanas and Vaishyas. Another fourth category people where they considered they are known as Shudras. So they, in respect for these people, and they never take care of these people, they completely treat these people as derespected. That is to the fourth group here. They gave only special importance for three group of people. And here, as per this Veda, according to the four stages, for a person, in the sense of a male has to cross for four stages. That is ashrama in his life. These are called brahmacharya, a student life. Then next comes here grihastha, a life of householder, responsibility of a husband and a father. And next comes here vanaprastha, life of a hermit. And finally the fourth comes sannyasa, complete renunciation, that is a pleasure. So this four stages, a religious text was given in early period here. And now let us come here, what type of food and dresses these Aryan people were used to. These Aryan people people eat rice, fish, fruits, and among them here the favorite drink, as we have so many varieties of, in the sense of cool drinks here, but those time the favorite drinks of the Aryans like Madhu, Sura, and Soma. These are the favorite drinks of the Aryans. In this, Sura was an intoxicating drink like alcohol type, and where they are going to prepare it on special occasions here. And next one called Soma was a little bit mild intoxicating beverage, and they used to prepare by themselves with very difficulty, consuming religious ceremonies that. And the Aryans are the people to have to be in simpler dress like Harappan civilization. Their dress sense was only of two clothes. What are those? They cover their head with turban, and they used to they wear the garments that touch their ankle, and they are very fond of wearing ornaments like as women's wear same, like ring, earrings, necklace. They were very fond of wearing that, and the women wore beads and also various designs and fashions of gold and metals of ornaments. And what was the main occupations of these Aryans here? They learned cultivation of crop, that is, agriculture was a main occupation. So we have studied about the barley. Barley was used in a religious function, wheat and rice. And what are the other cultivated crops they were using it? And based on the agriculture, these Aryans, they have other occupation like cattle rearing, taking the cattle for, in the sense here, for grazing of greenery, fishing, metalwork, carpentry, tanning. These all are the occupations of Aryans here. And also the weapons and tools where they were used, that is iron, copper, bronze. Iron is the first weapon brought by Aryans, and why they gave more importance only for iron, because it is a hard and strong metal, so they gave special importance only for iron tools. And in this, the education also plays a vital role during the Aryan period. Education, the Aryans gave a special importance for education also. The priest involved in teaching work. Can you observe the teacher sitting under a tree and the students listening to the teacher? Yes. So education was only for the higher class of students, and where they titled the teacher like Guru in separate schools called Gurukula. So they had to spend 25 years for education. They had to memorize, recite the value of hymns, and the priests were invited to perform a big ceremonies. The priests were also doctors in villages, like as we have a specialist now. During that time, one person, a role model, plays various roles. These are the people to know about the secret of medicinal herbs and plants, like Ayurveda. And these people, they know how to prevent the diseases and how to cure. So they learn so many things, that is in Gurukula. And religion. What type of religion these people they follow? The Aryan people lead a life in simple. Aryan religion was very simple, as they followed the 4 Vedas here. Simple knowledge and simple religion here. They worshipped nature and offered sacrifice for the